In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Wistia video in Wix. We'll start in Wistia, open the video you want to use and go to its media page. Look for the Embed button near the player controls and click it to open Wistia's Embed options. For most websites, the inline or standard style works best because it places the player directly within your page content. Select that style, then copy the full embed code Wistia provides. It will include a small HTML container along with a script tag. Be sure to copy everything, not just the URL, because Wix needs the complete code to render the player correctly. Now switch over to your Wix editor and navigate to the exact page and spot where you want the video to appear. This ensures the embed element lands in the right place in your layout. Next, add a custom HTML embed. In the Wix editor, open the Add panel, choose Embed, then Custom Embeds, and select Embed HTML. Depending on your Wix version, the label might vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that lets you insert custom code rather than a simple link. Place that element on the page where you want the video. Open the settings for that embed element and choose the mode that says Code instead of URL. This is important. The Wistia player won't load if you paste the address alone. With Code selected, paste the Wistia embed you copied earlier into the field. You should see a preview of the player. If it doesn't appear immediately in the editor, that's normal. Some embeds render only in preview or on the live site. What matters is that the code block is set to code and contains the entire HTML plus script. Click Update, Apply, or Save in the Embed settings to confirm the change. Then save your page in Wix so your work isn't lost. You can resize the embed box by dragging its corners to fit your layout. If your design is responsive, give the element enough width so the playback controls display comfortably and the video isn't cramped, and that's all there is to it. You grabbed the embed code from Wistia, added a custom HTML block in Wix, pasted the full code in code mode, and saved your changes. Your Wistia video should now be embedded exactly where you want it on your Wix site.